That is the question we want to redo asi tichangotarisa pasi. Question yedu yakatipa a bar chart in Fig 24.2 showing the results of a spelling test. Saka C iri kuda kuti titsvage the mode. We want to focus on D unoda kuti titsvage the median. So what is going to be the median in that particular case? Titwane the median panapa. What did we do previously? Zvatakaita just a summary. Takati chekutanga toda kutsvaga the rank M, which is position of the median. Takati this is equal to chi n plus 1 over 2. Tichiti n inorepresenta the number of all those students and who participated in this spelling competition. We had calculated that earlier. Kaona kuti if 40, I think per B. Saka panapa taingoti it's 40 plus 1 over 2, giving us 41 over 2, which is 20 and a half. So this is the rank or the position we are going to find the rank. The median, I mean. Then from that, takadzira a miniature portray of what is called a stem and leaf plot. But I didn't say these words, stem and leaf plot, because you expect to find them in advanced level. What we did was takanyora the different marks, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ndobva tanyora the frequency. Kureva kuti ma-students mangana ari kuwana which particular mark at any time. Saka takabva tanyora frequency. Panapa ndobva tanyora inonzi cumulative frequency, which we are also going to discuss in depth. So we say ma-students akawana 0 i2, ma-students akawana 1 mark i5, ma-students akawana 2 marks i10, ma-students akawana 3 mark i9, ma-students akawana 4 marks i8, and ma-students akawana 5 marks i6. When we cumulated this, kureva kuti takatangira pa 2 panapa. That 2 plus 5, that's 7. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 plus 9 zvakafanana nekuti chi tikabvisa 3 pana 9 panapa, it makes this 20. Then kunoku kunosara chi 17, 18, 19, 20. Then tabvisa 3 pana 9 kureva kuti kunosara 6. So this is 26. Then 26 plus 8 tikabvisa 4 pana 8 tichisapa avana 30. So that's 34, and 34 plus 6 it's 40. So we explained the cumulative frequencies zvinorevei, explaining that what we are actually doing, tiri kuda kuziva kuti students akawana 0 i2, kuti tikawedzera ma-students akawana 1 pa2 iyoyo tinobva tawana 7. Towedzera ma-students akawana 2 pama-students akawana 0 na1 tawana 17. Towedzera ma-students akawana 3 pama-students akawana 2, 1, 3. Saka the moment yatinosvika pa 4 panapa tikuti 34, tiri kuti ma-students ese akawana from 0 to 4 marks i34 students. Then if we add ma-students akawana 5 marks tawana 40. Saka cumulative frequency inoshanda as a proof, not a proofing, yekuti taita zvinhu zvedu zvakanaka. That is the benefit of the cumulative frequency, because we should always find n, the total of the data set panapa, which in our case is 40. Ndocha yakakoshera chekutanga. Saka denotanga tisina kuwana 40 panapa, so that there is a mistake somewhere in the frequency. That's the importance of cumulative frequency, and we are going to tell you more importances of it. But from here, after taona kuti the position we should find, the median, is the 20th and a half position, and the 20th and a half position tinoiwana between position number 20 neposition number 21. Saka panapa ndo pane 20 and a half. That's why tichinotora number iri pa 20 panapa nenumber iri pa 21, then we average them, we add them and divide by 2. We used this table to tiziye chekutanga. We noticed kuti the 17th number and inenge iri 2, kureva kuti tikamisa vana ava in order from ane 0 to ane 5, ari pa number 17 anenge ane 2 marks. Kureva iko kuti kubva pa number 18 kusvikira pa number 26 tine mastudents ane ma 3 marks. Yet student number 20, zvoreva kuti student number 20 anenge ane 3, student number 21 futi anenge ane 3, because zviri kuwanikwa in this range from 18 to 26. Then we have to average them. 3 plus 3, that is 6. We divide by 2, remains 3. That is why we got 3 as our answer in our previous question. But I understand if this is difficult for some of us, so I'm going to proffer an easier method now. So the easier method is going to be lengthy but necessary. So this is going to be the easier method. For our easier method, what we want is the mark, and we want the students, which in essence is the frequency. You can add the cumulative frequency, that is to make sure kuti maverenga ma students ese, but let us not do that, it's unnecessary. Tadaro, we see kuti ma students akawana 0 2, saka the mark is 0 and 2 students. When the mark is 1, we have 5 students. When the mark is 2, we have 10 students. When the mark is 3, we have 9 students. When the mark is 4, we have 8 students. And when the mark is 5, we have 6 students. Like this. Saka we can actually write down the number of students. Tichi represent our students SR 40 with their particular mark. Saka, remember that for the median, we have to arrange in ascending order, starting from the smallest to the largest. So if we do that, tirikuti my students ane 0 2, saka chanyora 0 0 like this. Vane 1 5, saka tokuda ma 1 ari 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and then. So this is our data set. Vane ma 2 10, saka 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Vane ma 3 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Vane ma 4 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, yes. Then vane ma 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So that is our data set. Represent each student with their mark. Tichishandisa that table. My students ane 0 2, that's why taisa ma 0 2. My students ane 3 marks in 9, that's why taisa ma 3 ari 9. Uchingodaro. Then from here zvatofunga kuita tiwane the median. Knowing kuti median, it's literally number iri pakati. Understand? Number iri pakati. Saka number iyi tinoiwana sei? Takansela iyi kutanga iyi tonocancela iri corresponding iri kwekupedzisira like this. Toramba tichiita this process, and I'm going to show you what's alternative in a moment, because of course in an exam you cannot I don't think you have the liberty and the time to be cancelling everything, and I also suspect that the exam won't give you data sets akanyanya kukura like this. Tosara tingori ne2 manamba ari pakati panapa. Then we have to take the average of those two numbers. Saka median inge iri equal to 3 plus 3 over 2, which is 3. That is one way of doing it. Chimwe chiri pano manje takatarisa this data set. Let me remove zvandakancela. So when we are looking at this data set, there's something which is important. And chiri important panapa is to notice that our data set is even. So data set yedu iri kuti n is even. N tinoishandisa kurepresenta the number of elements in the data set, which is 40. So 40 is an even number. Kana tiine an even number, we are always going to remain with two central numbers, which we are going to add to take the average of, or take the half of them. But kana data set yedu iri odd, kana n ari odd, and an example would be like this. This is our data set 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, like this. That's odd because it's 5. Our median is going to be exact because theta cancela ne e, cancela iyo ne iyo. Saka the moment you know kuti it's even, expect kusara na manamba 2 ari pakati, amucha adda modivider na 2. As kana iri odd, you are just going to find an exact answer. What is superior about understanding the mathematics of the rank? Kudai so. When you understand the mathematics of the rank, you are going to calculate your rank. You say the rank m, or at rank m median, is equal to n plus 1 over 2. That is going to be your rank. Then you say, what is n? N iriku representa zvinhu zviri mudata set. Vingani is 40. So it's going to be 40 plus 1 over 2, which we calculate and find 20 and a half. Kuti 20 and a half, kuri kutodza kuti tikaverenga this and tichitanga kunoku 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Toka panamba ichi 20 ichi. Since yanzi 20 and a half, tinofunga kutora kuti nene number ichi 21. Then our median inenge iri equal to number iri paposition 20 plus number iri paposition 21 tikadivida na 2 chawana futi 3. So that is how it's done. So to make it easier and simpler, mukapiwa this bar chart or bar graph, mukanzi mutsvage the median, you should construct this table. Table inokuudzai the mark and the students. Of course, different situations will have different demands. Then my constructor table yoyo, mogadzira a data set. Data set, moi interpret according to your table. Ma students ane 082, saka ma 082. Ma students ane 185, saka ma 15. Ma students ane 48, saka ma 488, and so forth. Then it's either munogona calculate a rank, which is the rank m is equal to n plus 1 over 2. Inokudzai the particular position you are going to find your median, or moita zvekucheka kuti muwane median. You pick your poison. But I just wanted to clarify on this question. so that you understand it better. In our previous class takaintroduce cumulative frequency yatakashandisa zvakare kuestimata uye kuziva kuti position 20 and 21 inenge ine mamarks api. But if that's complicated for you, I hope I gave you an alternative.